Hey guys, it's Peggy Dean. I have kind of an off-topic video today. I am going to, after getting a lot of interest from you guys about learning more about what this color street thing is, I'm going to show you exactly what goes into the application and everything. So if you haven't heard of it, it is a real nail polish on a strip. So it's like Jamberry, only not at all, because the application process is different. It's not an adhesive or a sticker. It's real nail polish that is, there's like science behind. It's like acrylic something or other. Don't ask me, those words don't, they tried to explain it, I don't know. But it's cool. And because it's real nail polish, you take it off with nail polish remover and then it lasts, you know, however, if you're hard on your hands, not as long, but if you're better on your hands than I am, then maybe up to 2 weeks, but like regular nail polish. So I first learned of this stuff from Brittany Louise, and she was wearing, I think, this color at the time, which is awesome. So they have a ton of colors, lots of solid colors. So I, of course, pick like the ugly colors because I really like dull colors. I've used this one. It's like kind of a red color. And then they also have a ton of glitter, like so much glitter. And these ones are, it's funny because I don't usually like glitter, but I've been like all about the color street glitter. And then you can also experiment with nail art. Again, all regular nail polish. So really fun. So I'll show you exactly how to apply it. Oh, warning. I'm really bad at going in and getting my gel nails soaked off when it's time. So my nails are a disaster right now, so no judgment because I just picked off all my shellac like yesterday. I know it's bad. Just pretend that they look better than they do right now because it's the point of, it's not, you get it. Okay. So these are some of the colors, and I say some because they have a ton. So you can do like solid colors, so many glitter options, which are super fun. And then also you can go into nail art, which is also fun. I've been waiting to use these guys. So you can use these straight out of their package, and I will show you how. So when you open it up, it also has little instructions on the back. So if you are lost, you can refer to those. And then the inside, you're going to find the nail strips, some nail prep pads, which are just like alcohol wipes, and then a little file. So you're going to open one of the alcohol wipes and just wipe off your nails. And then you'll use this file for application, so it's not really something you need to use ahead of time, but I'm just going to take it out of the package. And then you're going to open these guys, and I just cut at the very top. Okay, so these are on individual little slat things, and you're just going to measure like your nail area. The first thing you'll want to do is take the plastic strip off of the top part, so peel that off, and then you're going to peel off the bottom layer, and then you don't have to worry about touching the backside, which kind of blew my mind at first, but then you're just going to set it down on your nail like that, and then smooth the top part and then smooth out the sides. And then once it's smooth over your nail, I just kind of tuck it just over the tip and then take the file just on the top and then peel that part off. And then that's literally all that you do. And then you just kind of keep them out of water for like a half hour, and then they're done. All done. It's incredible. I'll show you when I'm done. And then in less than 10 minutes, I've got my nails that are completely done. Can you even believe it? And I can touch them, and they're dry. Incredible. Like, I can't do nail stuff, and I can do that. So hopefully that answers all the questions about how it's done. It's super easy. You're gonna form an addiction like me, and that's all. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Sparkly bye.